Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how to mute notifications in Snapchat app on any iPhone. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also put your likes under the video and write, friends, your comments. So, let us get started with you. And if you're in a situation where you're a little bit stressed out by the constant notifications and Snapchat, and you'd like to mute those notifications, it's very easy to do. So, friends, first of all, please open the settings on your iPhone. And then you need to scroll down, and at the very bottom, you'll find the apps option. Now you can find the Snapchat app. If you swipe down, open it. Next, you will need to tap on the notifications option. This will take you to the notifications of the Snapchat app on your iPhone. And now, if you would like to turn off, let's say, notifications from this app altogether, you'll need to click on this button at the top. Thus, as you can see, instantly all notification settings disappear because all notifications from the application will be disabled. If you don't want to disable notifications so drastically, then you will need to pay attention to this section. Here you can, for example, configure how notifications will come to you, that is, on the lock screen, in the notification center or banners. And if any of the notifications distracts you, for example, you can turn it off simply by clicking on the checkbox, for example, under the banners. And if you want to just mute Snapchat notifications specifically, then you'll need to find the sound option and click on it to turn it off. This way, no more notification sounds from this app will bother you. Friends, this is the way you can easily mute the notification sound from Snapchat app on your iPhone. I really hope, friends, that this video has helped you and was useful to you. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, put your likes and write comments. Take care.